In primetime news this evening, choking on plastic. Marine parks suffering as authorities struggle to enforce ban on plastic bags. Stakeholders at odds over how to tackle crime monster in 2020. And police commissioner issues rallying call to members ahead of another potentially tough year. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening we have the top business stories of the day with Andrew Laidley.
Yes, Andrea, you may have heard from vendors that consumers weren't spending much over the holiday season. Well, today the Bank of Jamaica is confirming that the currency take-up during the holiday season was much lower than it projected. I'll have the details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrew. From Andrew, we go to Karen, who has the latest in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, the Jamaica Scorpions are heading into the 4-day regional tournament later this month, and a new captain as well as a debutant have been named, and our cricket analyst weighs in. Join us later.
Thank you, Karen. And we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
The question this evening, how successful were you in implementing your New Year's resolutions last year?
And you may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.